Are we at Hogwarts? It's Poudlard in French. Ah! I was right! It's not on the same time. So Yennefer is oldest than the Witcher and the Princess? Ooh, they are messing with my head.
I'll be awake during the procedure.
Procedure? Okay. So Yennefer is really older. That's why they were talking about Calante like that.
Will this work?
He's gonna try.
I don't know.
What is it?
For the princess. If I can, because this isn't my first time trying to save a princess who others see as a monster.
Run free.
Princess.
She died.
I killed her.
Nah.
I did try to resist at first. Without it, we both did. I envy you. To live. And never have to fall in love.
That's the promise of him falling in love with someone during the next episodes. Harold, like, Foltest, just right there, is like 50 years old. So what happened to Yennefer, what we are seeing now, happened like 40 years ago. I'm trying to put everything in a chronological order.
Carry me out, I order you.
Don't care.
She was hiding from the Brotherhood.
Ooh, can it be possible that it's Yennefer? I'm gonna suspect each female character now that the Witcher and the Princess are gonna meet to be Yennefer. Did we already meet her, Yennefer? But we didn't know that it was her?
I've done what you've asked. You wouldn't have to fight it was done.
What are you... But I can't show that on YouTube neither. Boobs again. Okay, so scars are gonna still be there. We can recognize her with that.
To be reborn. You will bear no more. Come back here.
Eh?
Please.
Right here. Right here. Too late.
It was Foltest.
No, it was you.
It was his fault.
You did it.
I loved your mother.
Look! Can we see it? Oi oi oi. C'est le cordon ombilical. Silva. Ah! Pam 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 pam. Fuck. Yes. What? That. No! I'm sorry. No! Ah! Why? You have to do that to a woman. You. No? That's great. C'est over? Sacrifice. Destroy something to have something else. It's a protection. So the creature, she can't get out. Why is the parallel like... That can't be Yennefer. Oh, that's silver. He's gonna punch you with silver. You're hearing Yennefer? Okay, I'm gonna be alright into that. No, it's not Yennefer. I'm... Okay, you're there. Show your face, I'm... Calm down, calm! You're a little girl. No, you're not gonna die. Yennefer is gonna come. You know that she changed. That's her? She's beautiful, but I'm not recognizing her at all. Yes, you're liking her. Of course, she's beautiful.
Yennefer of Vengerberg. My apologies, Your Excellency.
So the king refuses to dance with one of his subjects. Are you aware that I'm in the market for just such an age?
You went against what they wanted you to do. You had what you wanted, Yennefer, but a lot of persons were mad at you because of that. And I'm saying were because it's in the past. You're still thinking of her? You know what I think about that.
You should know Foltest issued a statement. The Honourable Lord Ostrich gave his life to save the Duke of Lappy.
No?
Take my coin now. I need to get back to my horse.
Who's Renfrew?
My coin.
There's a vortex of fate around all of us, Geralt. Growing with each and every one of our choices. Drawing our destinies in closer.
Destiny. We've got it, really, the destiny between him and the princess. But I'm beginning to think that if what is happening to Yennefer is not happening into the same time of the princess and the witcher, maybe what is happening to the princess and the witcher is not happening at the same time also? Something or someone is calling you. To go into this wood? The girl into the wood? My head is really like ting 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 tung ting tung tung tung. What? Are we on the battlefield that we saw with Calante during the first episode? What about that? Who did that? Yes, she's going into the woods. That's gonna be the end. Wait. Wait. If I'm right, if things are not happening during the same time, for Yennefer, we are seeing, and it's pretty obvious, that what is happening to her now happened in fact for the Witcher like years and years ago, like at least 40 years ago, because we are seeing the brother and the sister, you know, Foltest and Ada, we are seeing them when they are young, when they are like what, 10 years old, and him right now in the time of the Witcher is like 50 years old, something like that. So it's happening 40 years ago. So what is happening to Yennefer in fact happened 40 years ago. She's the oldest one, but I'm beginning to think that what happened to the princess happened also some years ago. Do you understand what I mean? Maybe Yennefer is the oldest one. The princess, what happened to the princess also happened before what is happening now to the Witcher. The three storylines, the witch, the princess and the Witcher, those three storylines are not happening at the same time. Yennefer is the oldest one, she's gonna become someone, she's gonna, she's gonna evolve and she's gonna do wrong things. Like, she's beginning to do wrong things, she's beginning to go on the wrong path. For me, I said it during the review of the last episode, maybe she's gonna become the villain, of the show. She's gonna... It's almost like a prequel, like we are seeing her evolution. And the princess, I think that she went into these woods, I don't know why, but she went into these woods and maybe she's gonna be blocked into these woods. Something is gonna happen to her into these woods. And after that, the Witcher is gonna find her into the woods, but we're gonna see her older, She's not gonna be a teenager anymore, she's gonna be a woman when he's gonna meet her. Do you understand what I mean? I think that the 3 storylines are not happening at the same time. And for me, Yennefer is the oldest one. What happened to her really happened like 40 years ago. And what is happening to the princess happened like 10 years ago. For the Witcher, if we are thinking that what is happening to the Witcher is the present, for me, what happened to Yennefer happened like 40 years ago. What happened to the princess happened like 10 years ago. And is the present, I think that it's really interesting because I said during, I think it was a review of what the first or the second episode, that I was not interested by what was happening to the Witcher because I was feeling like what was happening to him was adventures, was missions, but I was more interested by the storylines of the witch and the princess because it was important things. I don't know how to say it, but we were seeing their evolutions, really big stuff happening to them when he was just on mission, on adventures. I don't know how to say it, but I have almost the impression that what we are seeing now for these 3 episodes, it's almost the prequel of the real story. I have the impression that the real story is gonna begin when the princess and the Witcher are gonna meet. It's really... Yes, I have this impression that the real story, the real adventure, the real journey of this show is gonna begin when the princess and the Witcher are gonna meet. And the story of Yennefer, it's almost like the prequel story of the villain character. Am I right with that? Don't tell me on the comments, because during the time when I'm gonna post this video, I'm not sure that I would have watched, all of the rest of the season, so don't tell me because I don't want spoilers. But see, I already said that I'm gonna post these videos. Because I think that I know now that I'm gonna post these reaction videos on YouTube, because see, I'm already trying to understand things, I'm already making theories, I'm already trying to find clues, trying to find information during the episode, because I'm beginning to see how it can work, how it can be built. I know me, I know that when I'm doing that, when I'm beginning to do that, that's great, that's the good sign that I'm gonna be fully into the show, into 1 or 3 episodes. For now, I'm more interested by the storylines, and by that, the game of putting all of the things that are happening into a chronological order, trying to understand who is connected with who, really, and what things that we saw into Yennefer or the princess storylines, we are seeing the consequences of that into the Witcher storyline. Do you understand? That's a mess. That's really a mess into my head right now. If I'm beginning to think that, things didn't happen at the same time, and in fact what happened to Yennefer was happening before what happened to the princess, which is happening before what is happening to the Witcher, that's it. My mind is... working like that and that's becoming a mess. But that's really a good sign. It means that that's it. I'm involved into the show. I'm involved with what is happening into the show. I'm trying to understand it. I'm not yet really attached to the characters. I'm really more maybe attached to Yennefer than really with the other characters, because we are seeing scenes with the princess, but it's really shorter scenes, so I don't have the time to really connect with her. And the Witcher, we are having a lot of scenes with him, but he's really a poker face character, so it's hard to connect with his emotions, with what he thinks. And that thing about Run Free, I said it during the first episode, it didn't work on me at all, so I have trouble to connect with that thing about him, and that's the only thing which is really about emotions, so that's why maybe I have trouble to connect with him. But yes, I know now that I'm gonna make reaction videos about this show for sure, because I'm beginning to do that, to try to understand it. That thing about the chronological order, it's maybe because of that in fact the witch and the princess, we are seeing an evolution for them. We are seeing them really evolving, changing, having big important changes in their lives, because what is happening to them is happening before what is happening to the Witcher, and him for now is just living adventures, you know, missions, because we're gonna see that what happened to him is in fact the consequences of what happened to them. Am I going too far? That's possible, maybe I'm going too far, but that's my theory for now about that chronological order. And again, I think that really the real story is gonna begin when the Witcher is gonna meet the princess. Like right now, I have the impression that they are just explaining to me what happened to all of them and why, when they're gonna meet, that's gonna be important because of all of that. Maybe I'm going too far, maybe. Now I cannot wait to discover the episode 4, you know, and to know what is gonna happen during it, to continue to play that game, to try to understand that, to confirm or to just screw and destroy all of the little series that I begin to have. We'll see that for the episode 4, but on another day, because I don't have the time today to watch one more episode. So it's all for The Witcher for you and for me, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.